here just on our way to Vauxhall, Alberta. Today we're pouring a 1,700 square foot basement and a 700 square foot garage. So we're gonna each be finishing. We have a light rain conditions today, a little overcast, so hopefully it doesn't sprinkle on us too much. It says less than a mil at the moment, and yeah, should be a good one. Yeah, I guess, hey?
Nah, it won't be bad.
So, fun fact about today's job. This project is actually for South Savannah Construction, which is Pete Weeb, which is my father. So, once we launched our business, it's honorable that we get to go work with family members and stuff, and that they trust us with their project. So, yeah, my dad, South Savannah, they're building this house here out in Vauxhall. Looks like South Savannah, the man himself, Pete, is just showing up on the job here. All right, so we got all the weights off. The wind never yanked it off yesterday. We're gonna actually start with the garage floor here. This one's got a hard polish on it, and this is actually gonna be a crawl space. So this is Pete Weeb, this is my father, the founder of South Savannah. So if you guys want a high quality home, this is your man. And then we'll come and do the concrete for it. Time to armor up. Alrighty, we got that one wrapped, handboarded the whole thing, got a beautiful spiral drain in it. Off to the basement. Hammered down, got the basement done at 1,700 square feet, about 700 square foot garage. Hammered the whole thing down in an hour and a half. And now we wait. I do want to take a quick moment and shout out to JB Pumping for killing it. Their operators are always so good to work with. Our operator today caught this. It landed in the hopper, and he came and let us know, and we ended up taking care of the issue. But yeah, if that would have gone through, we would have had some serious problems. So good eye on our operator today, and saved us a little bit of trouble for sure. Ended up being pretty smooth. So shout out to JB Pumping.
All right, so I'll be the guy that's gonna ride Doreen today. We bought these used, and somebody had the genius idea of putting names on there. It's maybe a bit of an odd one, but we kind of like it, so we'll keep it. And yeah, it's kind of our fun story for today.
Yeah, so Doreen is our 4-foot machine, and I'll be riding Alfredo, our 3-footer. So got a very slight drizzle coming down on it right now. We're kind of surrounded here, but if it's just a little bit of rain, I think we'll be all right. Okay, so raining a little harder now. Oh boy.
Have some excess cream in there to work into the floor.
It'll be nice and creamy. We'll squeegee it and take a leaf blower and get rid of the moisture if we have to. But we are not concerned. We have it under control. That's already easing up. floor. Got another little gust of rain, but we got clear skies ahead. It's a little windy and rainy at the moment, but it's about to push over and then we'll be in the clear. I see some blue off in the distance there, so I think we'll be all right. I am sure glad that that is over there and not over here.
It'll be good. Let's have a look at the radar, see what it looks like. A little bit of yellow in there. Like, yellow means sunshine, right? Good, huh?
Yellow means sunshine, right?
Second hit on the garage is done. We just hit all the edges in the basement here. George is gonna hit this whole floor. Last round of rain coming through. Experiencing what I hope to be our last round of rain. The concrete is still moving. The water has not yet come down hard enough to accumulate. So we're still in the good. We're still in the clear. So it is slowing down now. I'm hoping the rain didn't kill the cream on the garage pad too much. Just gonna help George with some edges down here. Gonna hit the whole perimeter. I'm gonna try and broom off some of that nasty stuff and then hit it again. Hopefully we can save it. So what I'm doing here is just sweeping off that nasty layer of cream, and yeah, I pretty much have to hit it again with the machine right after, just to take out all the footprints. And now I'm just gonna let her wait for a bit and let her get nice and tight before I keep working with it. The basement is moving along pretty nice as well. It'll be another hit or two and I can get this whole garage pad polished nice. George's is really snapped now. We got her just in time. It looks like he'll be almost done before me at this rate. And looks like we got another wave of something coming in here. Woo! That's that classic Alberta weather today. All right, pretty much got that half polished. Just gonna wait on this side. I don't think I'll be able to polish it much more because this stuff wants to scratch pretty easily. And let's take a look at what George is up to. Oh, we got thunder above. Oh yeah. And yet another round of rain.
hours later.
So the garage pad is polished and chopped, and I think we're just gonna do one more hit on the crawl space slash basement. We're not giving this a polish, but just get it a little smoother. Well, despite the weatherman being severely incorrect today and all the rain, we faced the odds. We got the smooth finish we wanted on the crawl space, got a nice polish, got the garage pad chopped up. Got anything?
No, I guess best you can do. Sometimes rain just happens and you deal with it. The main thing is don't lose your mind and just keep on going. Eventually it'll stop, hopefully.
Amen.
You can get done, but it's just deal with what you got.
Awesome. We're gonna head back to the shop and we'll see you guys tomorrow.